progress update on 3D printed model rocket. Here is the launch tube that I have just designed. The idea is to elevate this above the ground and have a little exhaust port over here for the nozzle and the gases to come out. And you have these detachable support beams that elevate the tube off of the ground a little bit. And I had them detachable because it's too big to print all by itself. So the result of all this is here. So here is that piece, and you can see the little nubs right there that you can attach to. And if you look inside of it, it's a hollow tube, but then at the very bottom, it's got a very small indent so that any objects that you put into it will catch on there. So here is a rocket cone, which is exactly 40 millimeters in size, and it fits very nicely, like so. And now you can see that it, I guess, went right in there and got stopped by that edge. So you can also take these pieces right here, which are the strut supports, and these are all detachable, and you can attach them. Okay, I wish I had 3 hands now. This is going to be really crappy. Hold on. You attach them like this, ta-da, and then go through and do it for all 4 pieces. So bear with me here. And there we go. And now you have this nice little support that you can place anywhere. It's very compact, and you can assemble it in seconds and have a rocket launch tube ready to go. And here's the other piece of the rocket, which is going to go right down like this, and your rocket fuel will go right in there, and then your top will attach to the very top here. So, oh, come on, oops. So it will go like this, and I'm probably gonna have to redesign this model and print it off. I fully expect that, but that's okay. But anyway, you take this piece, drop it down like that, like so, and then you are ready for launch. Anyway, that's my quick update, and I'll see you next time.